Good afternoon, students. Last class we have studied women entrepreneur opportunities created by government, state and central governments. Women entrepreneurs, so many schemes created. Main 10 important schemes. Last class we have studied. Today one new topic is functions of entrepreneurs. First one is managerial function. The managerial functions of management. First one, planning, direction, organizing, staffing, controlling. This five is a managerial function. This five is controlling by who? Management or board of director. Planning, directing, organizing, staffing, controlling. This five main important role and controlled by board of director and managing director. First one, planning. Planning means each and every project or each and every work means first you prepare pre-plan. First you prepare pre-plan is a first major objective. First one, planning. Under a planning, entrepreneur has to lay down the objective goals, vision, mission, policies, procedures, programs, budget, schedule, etc. for enabling the venture to the proceed towards of establishment designations. First you planning. Planning means goals, vision, mission, some policies, procedures, program, budget, schedule. That is planning. First you listen students. First you read means first you today what subject, next which lesson, how many question today, thorough and not thorough, how many question you today I am writing. This so many planning is pre-planning first. Next one, organization. Organizing. Entrepreneurs put in place suitable organization structure to perform a various managerial function. Managerial functions mean, that is managerial means what? Management. Managerial means management functions, namely choosing a type of organization. First, choosing a type of organizing. Which organizing I am? Managerial function or management function. First one, you choose. Next one, creating department. Creating so many department. Financial department, fees department, or banking loan department, and customer inviting department, customer complaint handling department. So many department creating first. Next one, fitting the human resources appropriate organization. Appropriated organization. The appropriate organization. Salt means, that is opening one some work new, creating that work is opening work, that is salt. Defining the budget, defining and delegating authority, distributing and responsibility, and creating accountability for efficient performance of activity. Organizing. Entrepreneur put place and suitable organization structure performance various managerial function. You select first suitable organization. Third one is directing. In the realm of directing, entrepreneur has motivated, lead, guide, and communicate with subordinates. Guide and communicate with subordinates. Subordinate means who is subordinate? Subordinate means, that is coordination or coordinators or head of the person, that is subordinate. And organize on an Ongoing basics in order of accomplish preset goal. First, accomplishing preset goal. First you directing means first you preset goal. This year, how many purchasing input, how many output producing, how much of finance in investment, how much capital in loan, in some borrowing in some banks. This is so many ideas of pre set of goals. The procedure of directing involves issuing an order and instruction, guiding, counseling, and mentoring employees, supervising employees, maintaining discipline and motivation of employing, and providing leadership. So many directing work, that is supervising, maintaining discipline, motivation, that providing leadership. These are all directing skill. Next one, controlling. Entrepreneur has to put a mechanism to the evaluate the performance of employees across the organization. Entrepreneurs has to put a mechanism and evaluate the performance employing across in the organization. And controlling power. Controlling power is some subordinates and board of directors, managers, some managing directors only. Controlling power. The various steps involved in controlling functions, including fixing performance and standards, measuring actual performance, comparing actual performance with stands. With stands. Find out the causes for deviations, if any, undertaking corrective measures to bring a actual performance to standards set. He and she may use various controlling techniques like accounting, auditing, management, information system, network analysis, cost control, and financial tool. That is a main controlling. That is first one is beyond various controlling techniques. Controlling. Listen students, note it down. Examples of some controlling techniques. Examples of, note it down that one inside question. The examples of controlling techniques. Example any 4 or 5. Accounting, like account. Auditing. Auditing means every year company compulsory auditing. Auditing, the auditing result only company is profit, loss, taxation, how many taxes paid, how much is not paid. That is calculating only in auditing. And management, information system. Information system means producers or entrepreneurs, so many consumer conclusions and information system. That is information system. And network analysis, cost control. That is financial, controlling financial tools. Next one, coordination. Entrepreneur has to evaluate a mechanism to pull together derive function performed by various departments to team and direct towards the establishing goal. Established goals. Goals means what? Planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Next one, pre-planning. How many goods produced, how many goods every year, cost is decrease, expense decrease. So many pre-planned actions. That is company oriented, profit oriented, or so many expense reducing. That is what? Goals of the organization of accomplishment. This is easy one, student. Functions of managerial functions. Managerial functions is planning, direction, organizing, staffing, controlling. This is 5-mark question. Example, I explain the managerial functions of entrepreneur. Next one, commercial function. First one is produ- producing or manufacturing. Under a producing, commercial functions is first. Commercial is mostly sales, marketing, purchase, sales. That oriented word one. That oriented word is a commercial. Producing, marketing, financial. That oriented content is what? Commercial work. First one is production or manufacturing. Under a production function, entrepreneur has to take a decision relating to selections of factory site. First one, note it down, students. Factory site, designing and layout, type of the product to be manufactured, research and development, and product design. Product design, listen student, product design is a compulsory registration. Product design is a compulsory registration. You one biscuit pack, you Britannia Good Day biscuit you bring means that the biscuit lastly small one line is this model, this design is registered. Registered means another person, this model, this flavor, this color or this method of design do not use. Do not, this method product is do not produce. That is, product design is compulsory. Each and every goods, biscuit packet or some anything else. One line is this product design is registered. One word, you check it. Okay, next, the efficient and effective performance to production function and depends on the proper production planning, controlling and major extent. Main production function is planning and controlling is a major role. Planning and controlling is a major role. Next one, marketing. First one, designing, type of product, selection, marketing, factory side, planning, controlling. Second one, the marketing. Entrepreneur has to create out following a functions of pertaining to marketing aspect, namely a consumer research, product planning and development, and standardization, packing and pricing, warehousing, distribution, promoting, etc. The various success of marketing functions is very much and linked with selection, appropriate marketing mix. The term of marketing mix denotes the combination of four components, namely product, price, promotion, and physical. Underline student, note it down this point. That is, term of marketing mix denote the combination of four components, namely product, price, promotion, and physical distribution. In the case of physical products, and the three more components, including in the case of service product, namely people, process, and physical evidence. That is, the good is new goods producing means at a starting stage is the good is first awareness and some more information in advertisement. First, marketing means advertisement only is the effect of the product. Advertising is proper consumer you reach means automatically consumer one like that commodity only. Consumer want that commodity only. But communication is not proper means is production, sales is very less only. Next one, accounting. Entrepreneur has to arrange a proper trading and profit and loss account in order to known as a profit and loss incurred out of the operation of business, and prepared a balance sheet of to known as a financial status of business at the particular day. Accounting, each and every financial transaction or each and every business maintaining in accounting. The accounting is yearly close the balance sheet of each and every year, reflecting the profit or loss, how much of profit, how much of loss, how much of liabilities. Thus, that is easy to assume. That is accounts prepare a balance sheet of the financial status. Financial status means that is current period status. That is current period status is a financial status, and cash flow and fund flow statement are prepared to ensure the adequacy adequacy of funds and cash for meeting various working capital needs of the business. In financial status only, current year financial status, future early, how much capital want, how much capital more invest, that is one conclusion, one new idea is reflected, that is balance sheet only. Next one, finance. In the sphere means that one new methods of machine or new methods of production is opening, that is sphere. The financial function an entrepreneur has to take a decision like choosing the right type of financing, forming the best dividend policy, acquiring a funds, efficiency, managerial fixed and current asset, maximizing shareholders' wealth and investing of the fund and efficiency and effectively. Finance is a current position, current status is reflected in balance sheet. That oriented is finance. The financing is like choosing a right type of financing. Right type of the financing. Some financial, so nowadays so many financial institutions is, so many private banks is anytime avail ready to credit your account some lakhs only, anytime creditor. But you want means anytime that bank available produce loan. That is correct type of the financing. Some financing is more interest collect means that is that bank is available only less amount or only issued in capital, but interest very low means the capital is automatically increased. Selected of some shareholders, a company, each and every company 51% of company own shares, 49% only issued share capital. Each and every highest percentage of shareholder only board of director. Highest percentage means 51 is highest, 49 is less. For 51% highest percentage person only board of director. Next one, human resources management. Entrepreneur has to estimate the manpower. Manpower means what? Manpower means that is efficient employees. Manpower means that is efficient employees needs for enterprise and accordingly decided the size of manpower. Accordingly decided size of manpower required the various salts organizational structure. After determining the required manpower, the entrepreneur has to organize the performance for following function pertaining of human resources, namely arranging for the requirements and selection of manpower and introducing manpower and introduction and training, determining the compensation, common compensation structure and incentives, and designing motivation programs, structuring well-being and measures of employees, and putting in the place of satisfy mechanism at workplace, performance evaluation and career and ad- advancement advancement and structuring a social security program. Human resources management is a very important point. This is selection. Main is selection of manpower is a one organization important role of manpower only. Manpower is more manpower is efficient, and excellent manpower means that organization is a efficient organization only. Manpower is very less means that organization each and every year is down only, profit wise or production wise down only. Okay student, functions of managerial function: planning, direction, organizing, staffing, and controlling. This five is a very important role of what? Entrepreneur functions. Importance of entrepreneur function. Students, each and every question you read, that time, that day you finished. You next day means you postponing means automatically your burden is heavy only. Only one that day only one question. Okay, this question this day finished, over. Your next day means postponing means all subject is at the time is your work is heavy only. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one topic. Okay, thank you students.